परमहंस लिबरेटेड, दैट इज लिबरेशन। लिबरेशन का मतलब ये नहीं मर जाना, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। लिबरेशन का मतलब है आई हैव गॉट विंग्स, आई कैन फ्लाई। व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन द गेम, आई एम अ साक्षी, आई एम अ विटनेस एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट। अगर आप क्यों खिलाते? किसको महाभारत की कहानी पता है? महाभारत की कहानी पता है सबको? उसमें आपको पता है कि कृष्ण जी ने अर्जुन को, व्हाट डिड कृष्ण शो अर्जुन? What did Krishna show Arjun? He showed his Virat Rupa. And in that Virat Rupa, what was there? All types of different creations. And he laughed. He said, why are you crying? That no, I don't want to attack my guru, my brother, I don't want to attack. Are you see yourself? You are a creator. Basically to say that this is your creation, but you are not the one who is in the game. You are a witness. And you realize yourself by learning the lessons of the seven. Your body has got 7 chakras. Each chakra has got a color, it has got a god, it has got destiny. Today you see all the holy books, you see all the gurus, you see all the speakers, everybody is teaching about chakras. But they are not explicitly saying chakra. If a guru tells you, maaf karo, karuna rakho, karuna, he is teaching lower heart chakra. If some speaker is telling, communicate, know how to communicate, he is talking about the Shuddha chakra. If someone is talking, do hard work, face your life, he is talking about Muladhara chakra. If someone is saying, contented raho bhai, satisfied, Bhagwan ko dhanyavad karo, he is talking about the craft chakra. Today, why we are confused? Because we are going to different places and we are confused. Zindagi kya hai? But what about Zindagi can be learned in 7 classes? So the first chakra in our body, which is at the base of the spinal cord. आपकी जो spinal cord है ना पीछे से, उसका जो last chakra है, it has got a 4 petal chakra. And this chakra is called Mool Aadhar. This is the foundation of your life. So basically, this is the chakra, Mool Aadhar. ये आपके जीवन का फाउंडेशन है, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक है। आज एक घर की ईंट जो है, अगर वो कमजोर होगी, कितना भी इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन से फायदा होगा? Any interior decoration is going to suffice? This is the building block of your life. Today we are going to learn how can we be stable and settled in our life. The real story of being stable and settled. If you think that here I am going to teach you how to make money, you are in wrong direction. I am not right. But I am going to teach you how to be stable and settled. How you can have financial stability in your life. इस चक्र के जो स्वामी है, इसके जो गॉड है, वो कौन है? हमारे घर। Now this Muladhara chakra, this basically controls some organs of your body. Every chakra controls certain organs in your body. If the chakra is imbalanced, the organ will be weak. The organ will develop a kind of disorder. Muladhara chakra आपके bones को connect करता है. Muladhara chakra is your entire skeletal system. It governs your hips, it governs your legs, and it governs your excretory organs. Any person who has got problem in the bone, arthritis, any person who has got piles, any person whose leg ache, his problem is Mool Aadhar. Basically, you can say that he has got fear of instability in his life. Now, let us understand what is instability in his life. Today, you are constantly worried about not being stable. Yes or no? Today, constantly you have fear. What if I lose my job? I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money for the future. Now, future, there are so many requirements. children are growing up, बच्चों की शादियां करनी है, I don't have enough. One is you have a fear of losing what you have, and one is you have a fear that I don't have enough. Yes or no? That is Mulaqat. Whenever you have fears related to instability, you block your Mulaqat. जब आपको डर रहता है, आपका चक्र बंद होता है. And when that चक्र blocks, you lose your connection. आपकी जिंदगी में एक abundance है, कंटिन्यूअस आपको पैसे, आपको स्टेबिलिटी दे रहा है, but you lose your connection with that natural. आपका जो डर है, डर से वो चक्र बंद होता है, और जब वो चक्र बंद होता है, आपका कनेक्शन जो है नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ अबंडेंस से टूट जाता है, और फिर एक्चुअल आपकी लाइफ में इंस्टेबिलिटी आना शुरू होता है. समथिंग लाइक एक नल है, उसमें देयर इज अ पाइप, देयर इज अ टैप एंड देयर इज अ पाइप, राइट? नाउ टुडे if there is a disorder in the pipe, if there is a disorder in the pipe, the water cannot flow from the tap. Today that is your problem. The water from the tap is not flowing. Now, what is the natural source of abundance in your life? From where do you get all the money and stability in your life? From where does money come in our life? Money comes from only one source, and that is Mother Earth. आपके जीवन में जो पैसा आता है, the stability that comes in your life only comes from Mother Earth. Today you are not connected to Mother, and that is why you have got financial instability. Balancing the Mooladhara chakra is getting connected to Ma. Just get connected to your mother, you will always have money in your life. Always. The people who have got leg pain, severe instability, they always feel a kind of pull. Come, look down, I am here. They don't trust that Mother Earth will give them. They don't realize your body is made from Mother Earth. आपकी body किसकी बनी है? मिट्टी की. Yes or no? Mooladhara chakra is the seat of the element Earth. Every chakra has got one Panch Tattva in your soul. किसी में अग्नि है, किसी में जल है, किसी में वायु और किसी में ईंधन है. मूलाधार चक्र में there is earth. And today your earth element is imbalance. Because you have lost connection with Mother Earth because of your fear. Because of your fear. डर एक्चुअली कुछ है नहीं. सबसे पहले तो ये टॉपिक ही गलत है. What is financial stability? सबसे बड़ा तो मुझे हंसी आ गई इसी सेंटेंस में, फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी. आप सोचो जीवन में स्टेबिलिटी है कहाँ? इज देयर अ स्टेबिलिटी इन दिस वर्ल्ड व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग? एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग, राइट? आपका शरीर पल पल चेंज हो रहा है, आपके माइंड, आपके थॉट, सब कुछ चेंज हो रहा है. हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट टू बी फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल? ये जो मिथ्या है, ये जो माया है, ये जो इल्यूजन है, सबसे पहले तो वही निकाल दो. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी. इन द फिजिकल टर्म्स, इफ यू लुक एट वर्ल्ड, देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी. देयर इज नोबडी इन द वर्ल्ड हु कैन से आई गॉट 1 crore इन द बैंक और मैं आराम से बैठ सकता हूं. तो देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड स्टेबिलिटी. अगर आप ह्यूमन तरीके से सोचोगे, but there is a way to get stability in your life. There is a way to get financial stability in your life. And that method is to connect with the source of abundance, which is Mother Earth. Today, if you are connected to Mother Earth, you know, हमेशा मेरे जीवन में पैसा रहेगा. आपका डर चला गया. और अगर आपका डर चला गया, if your fear goes away, what will happen? What will happen if the fear goes away? Won't you become more powerful, more creative? Won't you grow in your life? आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा क्या आपका फियर चला गया? आज आपकी कंपनी में, किसी भी कंपनी में, ओनली दैट एम्प्लॉई डजंट बॉदर अबाउट सैलरी, उसी की प्रमोशन होती है. जो बिल्कुल दबंग होता है उसी की प्रमोशन होती है. Who doesn't bother? आप रखो ना रखो, इतना चला जाऊंगा मैं, अपना खुद का कर दूंगा, कुछ भी करूंगा. I am not going to compromise. People who compromise for stability, they continue in the same company. कोई बात नहीं, निकालता तो नहीं है, बॉस कम दिखता है, पर चलो टिका तो हूँ. Years they work with the same company. You are not born for that. You are not born for that. Are you a money earning machine? Do you want to come out of that? Because when you come out of this chucky piecing, you really start thinking what I should do with my life. And then you start going towards the actual purpose of this work, which is self-realization. Knowing who I am. Becoming the creator. Doing what I love. Ananda, enjoying. तो सबसे पहले ये डर तो निकालो. डर होगा ना. इंस्टेबिलिटी में क्या होता है? आज अगर आपको लगे कि ये नीचे की जमीन इज अनस्टेबल, what will happen? If you feel that my ground is unstable, what will you do? You will hold on tight. पकड़ लो, ये ना चाहिए, ये ना चाहिए. And instability doesn't happen only with the job. Instability is also personal instability. People have a fear of losing their power. They have a fear of losing their parents. Losing anyone who gives them stability. That is instability. And when you have instability, what will happen? You clutch them. Pakad lo bhai. You go ahead, pakad it. The more tighter you hold, you become rigid, you become stubborn. You don't want change in your life, but if you hold things so tightly, can you grow in your life? Can you realize yourself? और ये जो चक्र है ना, they teach you lessons in your life by actually causing you physical problems. जब आपको arthritis होता है, right? Arthritis होता है, आपको piles होता है, आपको leg pains होते हैं, तो they numerous things will go to a healer who will advise you on where you are going to go. But what people do? They get the bone, they get the knee replaced. But getting a bone and knee replaced doesn't make you stable. You still have the fear. If you learn the lessons of the 7 chakras, you don't need any doctor in your life. You don't need any doctor. If you learn how to keep your Muladhara chakras active, how to keep it open. Now, from where these fears have come inside the Muladhara? Now let us talk. आपके अंदर डर आए कैसे? तो मूलाधार चक्र में आपके डर है. क्या क्या डर है? जो मिला है वो खो न जाए. I hope I don't lose stability. My money is not enough. Tomorrow I will not have enough money for the future needs. These are all instability. It could be instability in personal life also. Many times wives have a fear. What if the one who provides money leaves me? Sometimes parents have fear that now we are growing old. I hope my son's wife doesn't kick us out. So you have instability in your personal life. Now my question is, so where the fears have come? Sir, आया कहाँ से? Yes?
It's our own creation.
But it's our own creation. और ये जो डर आया कहाँ से? Very good. It has come from the society. हम बार बार सुनते हैं, अरे इसको जॉब चला गया, अरे देखो कितनी पॉवर्टी है, क्या है?
The experience of more and more transactions.
What happens is when you are growing in life and suddenly suppose when you are searching for your job, you don't get a job for 6 months, you are sitting at home. You develop instantly. You didn't get a job. You finish your education, बहुत टाइम तक आपको जॉब नहीं मिला. आप बहुत टाइम तक आपका बिजनेस जो है सेटल नहीं हुआ. And any other reason? These are very good reasons. One is you read newspaper. Not the other reason. अरे सीट बहुत कम है कॉलेज में, जॉब बहुत कम है. अरे रिसेशन है, रिसेशन. People only think कि कौन रिसेशन से सफर कर रहे हैं. They don't think 50% people are prospering. One is newspapers, one is society, one is your own experiences. चक्रियों का कोई भी meditation you don't have to practice at home. The fear goes in the class. बट उसके लिए आपको अपने माइंड में तैयार होना है कि मुझे वो डर निकालना है। अगर आपको डर से चिपकना है तो हम नहीं निकाल सकते। So first, answer this question from where the fear has come. Any other reason, any other source from where the fear has come. That is answer. Another major cause of our fear is what we call from childhood. We often heard our parents say money is not enough. If you have come from a background where your parents have struggled for stability, you always have a fear of food. That is why a rich person's son always becomes rich and a poor person's son generally struggles. Because it is here in his mind. It is in his mind that money is not easy. Today the world is created by your beliefs. जो आपकी सोच है ना, वर्ल्ड वही है वर्ल्ड. If you feel I have to struggle in my life, मुझे स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. I don't get things easy. 3-4 बार ट्राई करके ही होता है और जब होता है बहुत लेट होता है. It's your thinking. क्या आपकी You are a creator. आप जो बिलीव करते हो आपका जीवन वो ही होता है. When you say that I have to struggle in my life, you don't see many things you got without struggle. Many things you got without struggle. But you prefer to see what I got with struggle and then you prefer to create it. Then you believe that I have to struggle in my life to actually take a U-turn, curvy turn to get back. ये सच है, आप क्रिएट करते हो अपने लाइफ में स्ट्रगल. So in childhood, if you had memories of always, fighting for survival, even for school fees, even for the things you wanted a bike your father could not afford. It really goes into the life. If all my basic needs of survival is not easy, I am not supported. I am not supported. And because of that fight, you create a struggling life in front of you. You create that life in front of you. One is it comes from childhood. It comes from the society, it comes from newspapers, it comes from your personal experiences, and that is why these fears are. And these fears, as we said, they will go in your Mooladhara chakra, they will cloud your Mooladhara chakra, and they will break your connection with the natural source of abundance, which is money. और जैसे ही आपका कनेक्शन ब्रेक हुआ, पैसा आना बंद हुआ. Because you said I am not supported, Mother Earth will close the connection. You created it. Now what is the solution? The solution is what? Can you just think positive? Can you just think positive? No, I will have it. Is it possible to think positive? You cannot think positive. The मन में इतना डर है ना, you cannot think positive. पर वो डर का क्या करें? चेंज करने से डर तो नहीं जाएगा ना? Yes or no? चेंज करने से डर तो नहीं जाएगा? फिर क्या करें डर का? कैसे चेंज करेगा? डर है भैया, इंस्टेबिलिटी का डर है, पैसे कम मिलते हैं, I need less money. And if you are fearful of less money, you can't be creative and create more money. Yes or no? And you only have to create. What is the solution? तो ऐसे ट्रस्ट आएगा? इतना डर है तो ट्रस्ट आएगा? Work hard is there. That will struggle. It will not work. Is it easy?
Like we have come here to take your guidance, to take the guidance and then
Now the answer for this is डर का क्या करें?
सामना करो.
हम डर का सामना तो ठीक है, हमें डर को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to release the fear. That's the only way out. Your fear cannot, go away when you think I live in the now. You can't live in the now when there is fear. The fear cannot come by trusting. You can't trust when you have fear. You can do only one thing, and and which is release the fear. Throw it, just throw it away. And we are going to do that many things. Fear को आपको देखना है, उसको फील करना है, उसे खत्म कराना है और उसके बाद उसको फेंकना है. Unconditionally you have to throw the fear. Don't take it casually. कोई नहीं कह सकता तेरे पास हमेशा पैसा रहेगा, तेरी फैमिली तेरे पास हमेशा रहेगी. कौन गारंटी कर सकता है? सबसे बड़ा इल्यूजन वही है. सबसे बड़ा इल्यूजन है कि एक्सपेक्ट स्टेबिलिटी. लाइफ में कुछ भी तो स्टेबल नहीं है. हम भी तो जो है वी आर जस्ट अ कॉन्शियसनेस हु हैज कम हियर. नो नथिंग इज स्टेबल इन दिस वर्ल्ड, नथिंग. लाइफ में एक ही सच्चाई है, एक ही कि लाइफ ऑलवेज चेंज. आपका जॉब हमेशा नहीं रहेगा, आपकी फैमिली हमेशा अपने साथ नहीं रहेगी और आपका शरीर आपका साथ हमेशा नहीं रहेगा. उसके बावजूद यू कैन बी स्टेबल. और वो कैसे स्टेबल हो गए? यू हैव टू लुक एट दिस फियर. उसको देख के घर कराना है कि हमारा टुवर्ड वन ऑफ द फेथ. एंड वी डू दिस मेडिटेशन. बट बिफोर दैट, मूलाधार चक्र के 4. Now every chakra has got lessons, as I told you. Unless you learn these lessons, you cannot connect with Mother Earth. And there are only 4 lessons. There is no 5th lesson. Are you all ready to learn the 4 lessons? First lesson. Mooladhara chakra is connected to your parents. वही तो है आपके मूल का आधार. They are the basis of your world. Today, if you don't have a harmonious relationship with your parents, Mooladhara chakra open नहीं होता. It cannot be open. Unless you have got a cordial relationship with your mother and your father. Your mother is your left leg and your father is your right leg. कौन सा लेग दर्द होता है उसको देखना. उसके साथ रिलेशनशिप कैसे? It doesn't matter whether they are alive or they are gone. It doesn't matter. Till your relationship with them is cordial. Cordial doesn't mean it is great, but it should be cordial. तब तक आपका मूलाधार चक्र बैलेंस नहीं होगा. It's a law. आपको गणपति की स्टोरी पता है? You know the story of Ganpati, that how he became Ganpati? एक बार Kartik and Ganpati they had a son who is more superior. And Kartikeya, he said, what Ganpati will do is got a small mind. Let us take a round of the world and see who comes first. Kartikeya, so he sat on his peacock, fatafat he went around the world. Ganpati, now he sat on his mouth and he took a round of his parents. My parents are my glory. And he was called Ganpati. Today, if your parents are your world, you respect your parents, you honor your parents, the Mooladhara chakra will always be open. Now, I'm not just going to say like this because there will be many questions. How can I get along? My parents don't get along with my life. They did this to me. They did not support me. They don't love me. They take care of my brother more than me. They are influenced by my sister. My father was like this. My mother was like this. You have many questions. You say, no, I can't accept. You might accept. I can't accept. However your parents are, they have taught you the lesson which you have to learn in this world. You and your parents, you had a partnership. You have chosen your parents. Your parents have not chosen you. You have chosen the correct parents for you. They are your Mooladhara. Today, you decided what kind of family I want to learn the lessons that I have. Did I have to become a chaiwala to learn what it is to be a prime minister? Did I have to be the abusive father to learn how to be compassionate and kind? Did I have to be with an alcoholic person to realize we should not take alcohol? Should I be with a neglecting mother to realize that love is so important? Should I see fights between my parents to see that I love harmony and I will be good with my wife? Should I see my father struggle in his life to decide that I will get educated till IAS so that I don't struggle? Did I have to see my mother weak? Did I have to see my mother so weak, crying, frail, to become the strong woman that I am today? Your parents have taught you the biggest lesson in your life. सबसे जो बड़े लेसन थे ना आपके जीवन के, आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको सिखाया. It doesn't matter whether the example was positive or negative. They could be the biggest example. I don't want to be like them. Still they are talking. Or they could be an example. I want to be like them. But normally we learn उल्टे तरीके से ज्यादा. हमने चलना भी ना गिर गिर के सीखा है. हम उल्टी तरीके से ज्यादा अच्छा सीखते हैं. हम गिरते हैं ना तो हमको पता लगता है कैसे चलना है. How to avoid falling. So when you have got parents who are always on this side, you learn more. यही आपके relatives करते या यही आपके neighbors करते हैं, you never have learned. You learn because your parents did to you. And for that, you have to honor them the way they are. Honor means कि उनकी एक गद्दी है, उनकी गद्दी है. Parents की गद्दी है, उनको गद्दी पे बिठाओ. They are my parents. I honor them. And I know they support me. आप पेरेंट्स कैसे भी हो आपके लाइफ, कैसे भी आपके पेरेंट्स, they will always support you in their life. Yes or no? आप गिरोगे, लड़खड़ाओगे, कैसा भी होगा, लेकिन में कोई भी आपके साथ आएगा ना, वो आपके पेरेंट्स. Do you agree or not? How much even you are angry with them? How much? There is one story, no? कि जो बेटा था, he was a drunkard. और उसकी जो मदर थी, वो घर आया और उसने कहा मुझे खाना खिला. मदर से कि मुझे पतीला है, he the पतीला is खाली. He got very angry and he took one baler and he killed her. He hit her and she died. And then he started chopping her because he got scared, so he started chopping her into pieces. And when he was chopping, no, suddenly he got hurt with the knife. और आवाज आई, बेटा लगी तो नहीं. That is the love of parents. Even though it is masked with their problems, with their experience, but they love. If you are a parent, you know what is love of the parents. You have to honor your parents for whoever they are, whoever. Just allow them blessing, allow them, उनका आशीर्वाद you have to allow. Today, you know that my parents are with me and you honor your parents. You see, all the rich people in this world, they carry their parents with them. Have you noticed that? Whether it is Ambani, I noticed like this. Ambani is also the mother is there. Lakshmi Mittal, I think mother is there. Even Mark Zuckerberg asked Yogi, I want to know whose mother, you know. This is the kind of mother who produced a son like this. The more you are connected with your parents, your Mula heart increases. And you have no choice. तभी तो घर में एक लक्ष्मी आती है ना, when the girl comes, isn't she called Lakshmi? Because she adds to the city. But if the woman participates in actually separating the house, the whole people, the whole family gets unscathed. The Lakshmi goes. Now I'll give you one more example because you're not asking. There is, like, you know, sometimes it happens that, you know, you can't really take care of your parents because of situation, right? You're working abroad or your wife cannot be along with your parents, etc. ऐसा होता है ना situation कभी कभी, and you have a lot of guilt, I am not taking care of my parents. उसके लिए what we should do? Yes? Honor your parents doesn't mean you become Shravan Kumar. It doesn't mean that. But what do you do in such a situation? Yes. That you can't take care of your parents physically because they don't get along or they don't want to come to this city or they are living in some far off country. What will you do in that case? So you have guilt then. And the guilt will block your mudana. The guilt will block your mudana. Any emotion related to parents will block your mudana. Any emotion. You should just be calm and know my parents are with me, that's it. We should honor. See, we don't know these cases. It doesn't happen. Those cases have to be dealt separately. Because those cases, why they have done, it's some other lesson. We have to talk about what we are all doing. Even if the father has abused or he has beaten, he has taught you some lesson. He will not take such cases in that what he says, cases, but he teaches you something. Even a case that is totally beyond. It is not person with a human consciousness will do. Your parents, what is your relationship between you and your parents? Now this is the question. What is the relationship? What is the relationship between you and your parents? What is it? Anything else? Is it love? Is it love? Is it care? What is it? क्या है रिश्ता पेरेंट्स और बच्चे में? क्या रिश्ता है? पेरेंट्स क्यों आते हैं और क्यों बच्चा पैदा करते हैं और बच्चे को पेरेंट्स के साथ क्यों ध्यान रखना पड़ता है? Why? What is the relationship? The relationship is only of stability. Only stability. Parents are part of the root. They are not the root. Your relationship with your parents is only stability. That's it. They took care of you till you grew up, and now you're honoring your partnership of stability by now taking care of them. It's only a partnership of stability. Why parents have children? Not for love. Because love नहीं है तो वही थोड़ी चला जाता है. They have children. That's why they want their children to be well educated. Yes or no? Every parent wants their child to be well educated. Second. Because once the child grows up, he will take care of himself. So once you understand that this is a partnership, I will honor my child. Now the next chapter. Mooladhara has only 4 chapters. Here one. Second is work. Today we are given a body only to work. We are not the body now. We are not working. The body is working. Body is like a ghoda. It works. We are given a body, but we are not the body. Today, Mooladhara Chakra's second lesson is you have to honor work. What do you mean by honor? You have to be ready to work. और मूलाधार चक्र का जिसका ब्लॉक होता है उसको क्या होता है? लेजीनेस. कल करूंगा. जब वो चीज इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है तब भागता है. Then fear rises. Then you run because of fear. आज नहीं करूंगा तो गया. तो मूलाधार चक्र में it is the fear of work. It's too much. It's too overwhelming, too much. Because हर वर्क के बड़े dimensions होते हैं. Right now we are talking about work. Are you some person who forceful, who is overwhelmed? जब आपके पास बहुत सारा काम आता है, आप overwhelmed हो जाते हो कि बहुत सारा काम आ गया है. There are many people when they have a lot of things coming to them, they stay at home. I have got many people who come to me also for consultation. There are many things that came together in their life at one time. Mother भी बीमार थी, job भी बहुत दूर था, boss भी बड़ा strict था. So they said, ma'am, I took a break and I'm taking care of my mother. And now 2 years they are taking care of mother and now they are not getting another job. You don't respect job will not respect you. आप जॉब की इज्जत नहीं करोगे, जॉब आपकी इज्जत नहीं करेगा. So we have to understand that Mooladhara Chakra teaches us. The lesson of this chakra is we have to release the fear of work. It does start in us काम बहुत ज़्यादा है. हमें से कोई भी कुली का काम नहीं करता. Nobody is lifting loads. You just have to wake your body and your focus. You have to remove that the work is too much, work is too hard. Stop getting overwhelmed when many things come together. When many things come together, what should you do? What should you do when many things come together? Your boss has given work, here is work, your wife carry, बच्चों का admission. वो भी तो सारे lessons हैं. So people teach you how to work management. You have to delegate. You don't have to think you are alone. If you think you are alone, you cannot do the work. You have to delegate the work. You have to systemize. And there are many things, what these management classes also teach you. ये नहीं कि काम के बीच में टेलीफोन भी चल रहा है, व्हाट्सएप भी चल रहा है, ईमेल भी चल रही है. No. If you have to do a work, keep all the distractions away. No distractions. No distractions. Keep your mind very focused on the work because you have to learn to honor work. All the type of fear of work, you have to totally release it from your being because the only purpose you have taken birth is work. From the time you are born, people ask you, but your work is not करेगा. But you have known that your work is क्या करते हो? Nobody asks you अपने hobbies क्या है. Nobody bothers क्या आपकी hobbies क्या है, आपकी emotion क्या है, आपके passions क्या है. Nobody bothers. What do you do? From the time you are born, you are trained for the work you are meant to do and you get the honor. But the honor work and worship. They say this is a Kalyug and this is a Kalmukh. You have to honor work. तो सबसे पहले मैं दो चीज जब आपको काम करोगे, give it a priority. But okay, that work will be done. सबसे पहले तो हमें जीवन की एक चीज समझनी चाहिए. जीवन का एक नेचर है, निरंतर. जीवन का एक नेचर है निरंतर. It will happen. काम तो आते ही रहेगा. It will keep on coming. You have to give priority. You have to give priority to what you think is important. So today you think, oh, I've got one work, let me finish it till my शाम. वो सबसे बड़ा illusion है. आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा illusion है कि हमको लगता है कि काम खत्म होता है. हमारे ऑफिस में आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड, तो मुझे लगता था काम खत्म नहीं होगा. एंड आई टू टेल देम ये खत्म करो, ये खत्म करो, ये खत्म करो, आज ये खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. एंड देन आई रियलाइज मैं काम गलत. आपका अगर नेचर है टुडे यू आर अ बॉस एंड यू हैव अ नेचर यू टेल एवरीबॉडी आज ये फिनिश करना, ये फिनिश करना, ये फिनिश करना. सबसे बड़ा इल्यूजन है, वो कभी फिनिश नहीं होता और आपको स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी भी लेके जाता है. क्यों नहीं? पर सच्चाई पता है क्या है? कुछ भी काम नथिंग फिनिशेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड, नथिंग फिनिशेस. केवल जाके और नाना फिनिश होता है. ये जो वर्ड है ना फिनिश, वो भी सबसे बड़ा एरर है. नथिंग फिनिश. बिकॉज टुडे इफ यू कंप्लीट वन वर्ड, व्हाट यू कॉल कंप्लीट, rather than saying finish, you have brought it to some level. You give it to somebody. Today, if you are in a company and you are making a sale, आज आप किसी कंपनी में हो and you are making a sale, do you finish it? क्या आपका काम कंप्लीट हुआ? उसके फॉलोअर्स होते हैं. कभी हो सकता है वो रिटर्न आ जाए, हो सकता है वो कस्टमर बाद में और रही है, हो सकता है वो कस्टमर किसी को रेफर करे. It doesn't finish, right? Nothing finishes. आज in office, if you do one work, you will give it to somebody. You will give it to somebody. Work only happens, it only transforms, it only changes shape. So in my office, I started telling everybody, today you will make it live. You will pass it on, you will hand it over, you will evolve it, you use this language. So the moment you say finish, there is a stress. आप हर चीज को क्रिएट करते हो, उसको लाइव करते हो, उसको शेप देते हो. You create a customer. Yes or no? You create a customer. फिर हमें रियलाइज होता है कि हर चीज जो है वो है निरंतर. It is निरंतर.
मैं not देखा and reacting get relaxed. और उसकी वजह है मैं काम क्यों करता हूँ इस उम्र में. एक तो मुझे पैसा मिल रहा है. जब जवान था तो काफी कमाता था, अभी पैसा मिल रहा है. Number 2, I get the prestige. Third, I get the पुण्य. क्योंकि जब तुम अच्छा काम करते हो वहाँ भी वर्कआउट में जमा करते हो. तो आपने बोला ना सेकंड चैप्टर की काम क्यों करना चाहिए. तो स्पेशली माय यंगर फ्रेंड्स, आई विल मोटिवेट देम कि यू वर्क एंड एज यू सेड वर्क इज वर्शिप. और काम राम है हिंदी में बोलते हैं.
और अभी हम स्वादिष्टान चक्र में आएंगे ना, तो ये तीनों रीजंस जो है वो इनवैलिड हो जाएंगे।
I will love to.
बिकॉज यू नो मैं इसका
I will love.
क्योंकि टॉपिक आया, मैं इसके बारे में ब्रीफ भी कर देती हूँ। हम जब भी काम करते हैं कमाने के लिए,
जी
हम जब भी काम करते हैं फैमिली के लिए,
जी
और जब भी हम काम करते हैं पुण्य कमाने के लिए,
जी।
हम थक जाते हैं। We get tired, and that's not a motivation. That's not a motivation. Just now I was consulting some clients. तो वो कहते हैं मैडम मेरा बिजनेस ऊपर जाता है फिर नीचे, फिर ऊपर जाता है नीचे, और बहुत सालों से हो रहा है। I asked him, आप काम क्यों करते हो? मैम, to take care of my family. मैंने कहा जब भी ऊपर जाता है, your family is taken care of, so it comes down. Then you need money, so it comes up. Then family is taken care of, you come down. Do you understand? Life follows your thought form. You never work for money. You never work for punya. No. You never work for others. No. You work for only one thing. What is it? Why do you work? खुशी तो कमी मिलती है लोगों को काम से।
When you realize.
When you realize, but still without realizing also you work for something. You work for responsibility, it makes you very tired. मणिपुर चक्र ब्लॉक हो जाता है, सारे चक्र ब्लॉक होते हैं। हम जो वर्क करते हैं ना, only the true work is when you work for your passion. You have to find your passion and work for that, और वो वाला वर्क ना हमेशा ऐसे चलता है ऊपर। It's never like this. So life follows your thought process. That's why you have to connect to the correct thing to have always growth in your life. So why do you work? Only for your passion, and you have to find your passion. You have to find what you love to do. तो काम नहीं रहेगा. Work will not remain a work after that. It will not be tiring.
Procrastination is a fear of that. Because of procrastination, the fear comes.
Yeah, but procrastination also happens because of fear. Because you have a fear of work.
Once the fear is removed by this meditation, procrastination comes.
Procrastination will go. But right now we are not going to do a meditation on procrastination. We are going to do a fear of instinct. Third chapter is support. Today if you feel or if you fear, मैं अकेला हूँ, मेरे साथ कोई भी नहीं है. I have to do everything all by myself. I don't have support. आपके employees बार-बार छोड़ते रहेंगे. Nobody will be there for you. In your business, you will not find employees because you think I don't have support. You will often find that you are all by yourself. You are helping others, but जब आपका time आता है, nobody helps you. Because you think you are not supported. It's a thought process only. But is it really true that you are not supported? Is it really true that you are not supported? Or nobody supported me? In my family, my parents don't support me. They didn't give me money to start my business. They didn't help me to get the education that I wanted. तो आपके अंदर एक fear आ गया that I am not supported. But is it really true that you are not supported? Or you did not do the right efforts in the right direction? You want employees from here. What if the employees are here? You want these kind of employees. What if you have to get these kind of employees? What if there is a different way to get your needs met? And you are thinking of this, but actually the answer is this. Is it possible? Is it possible that your parents did not fund you for the further education, but maybe you were meant to do this only, and in this also you can get success? Is it possible? Is it possible because you think I don't get support, you have blocked yourself from getting any support? Even if people want to give you support, you are not open. You don't see it. किस को लगता है I am not supported? किस को लगता है? किसको लगता है कि I am not supported in this world? I have to do everything all by myself. मैं अकेला हूँ. आज जो आपने कपड़े पहने हैं वो आपने सिला है, आपके आज जो खाना खा रहे हो वो आपने बोया है। The house that you are living, have you constructed it? जो ट्रेन में चढ़ के आए हो, have you made the train? जो आपके घर में पका पकाया खाना आ जाता है, दूध आ जाता है, have you done it? Have you created it? When you were born in the arms of a mother. You were never in your life without support. She took care of you. उसने आपकी उंगली पकड़ पकड़ के आपको चलना सिखाया है. She took care of you from your childhood. She fed you. She clothed you. You never bothered about anything. And yes, growing lessons में if you saw some kind of scarcity, it was for a reason. You had to learn. You have to learn. Universe never cares whether you are comfortable or not. It cares whether you have learned the right lesson. Universe only cares whether you have learned the right lesson. और अगर आपको right lesson poverty में सीखना है, so be it. If you have to learn to be in poverty, to become that strong person, to become the hardworking person, so be it. You have come only to learn lessons, only to self-realize, nothing else. And maybe you have to learn a lesson to give support to get support. Maybe you are asking in the wrong direction. Maybe you didn't need support. Maybe you have to learn to stand on your feet. Why are you begging for support? Why don't you stand on your feet? Maybe you have forgotten I can stand on my own feet. You always have support. चाहे वो दूध वाला है, चाहे वो घर में काम करने वाला है, चाहे वो बाहर की दुनिया है, चाहे वो न्यूज़पेपर वाला है जो न्यूज़पेपर देता है, चाहे वो अलग अलग किताबें हैं जिसमें लोग आपको ज्ञान देते हैं हाउ टू लिव इन दिस वर्ल्ड. You are supported in everything. You don't have to do anything other than your life purpose. Other than what you are made for, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. सब कुछ रेडीमेड है आपका. खाना टेबल पे आ जाता है, खाना खाओ बढ़िया, सो जाओ, बिस्तर भी किसी और ने बनाया है, बढ़िया तरह ऑफिस से ले जाओ, वो ट्रेन किसी और की है. Yeah. And that is all universe, you know. Universe sends people. It sends people. It sends people कह रहे हैं सीख नहीं रहा है ये बंदा, इसको सिखाओ. It sends. You will see whenever you needed help, somebody came. आप कुछ चीज ढूंढ रहे थे, वो पर्सन आपके सामने आ गया. You were searching what I should do. You saw something in the newspaper. Universe is guiding you in many ways. सबसे पहले समझो कि आपके जो यूनिवर्स है ना, आपके अराउंड जो यूनिवर्स है वो केवल आपके लिए है. रियल फैक्ट इज आपके यूनिवर्स में ओनली यू एग्जिस्ट. इन योर यूनिवर्स यू आर द ब्रह्मा. इन माय यूनिवर्स आई एम द ब्रह्मा. इन माय यूनिवर्स यू एग्जिस्ट एज क्लाइंट्स. इन योर यूनिवर्स other people exist as colleagues and me as a. You are the Brahma in your universe. Aham Brahmasmi. Shivoham. I am the only one in this universe. ये जो universe आपके अराउंड बना है ना, every person who is coming in your life is coming to support you. Every person. Somebody is criticizing you so that you realize that you are wrong. Someone is pushing you. Someone is competitor. देख मेरे जैसा करके देख, मेरे जैसा करके देख. Become like me. See, I am so successful. You are sitting lazy like this. Someone is making you jealous so that you learn how to fight. Someone is showing you difficulties. Don't become like me. मेरे जैसा मत बन जाना. आपके अराउंड जो पूरी कायनात बनी है ना, वो केवल आपके लिए बनी है बस. You, the wife you are with, the husband you are with, exactly what you need in your life. Your children, exactly what you need. How to be responsible, how to be compassionate, how to be understanding. You are meeting the correct kind of people in your life so that you learn the right lessons. You are supported. Yes or no? When you say you are supported, what happens is your Mooladhara chakra starts connecting to Mother Earth. Mooladhara chakra को English में we say root chakra. We call it the root chakra. In this chakra you can think that there are like roots which are coming out from the Mooladhara and they are going inside Mother Earth. इसमें से roots निकलते हैं and you get connected to Mother Earth. जितने roots होंगे उतनी आपकी stability होगी. हमने कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल ट्री देखा है वर्ल्ड में? बैंगन ट्री. वो इतना है कि वो अपने उसमें से भी स्टेबिलिटी क्रिएट कर लेता है. You know how you can create stability in your life? By growing roots, by connecting with your parents. Through parents you connect with your brother, sister, relatives, society. सब तरफ से आप roots grow. Make roots with the customers. Today, if you are a businessman, connect with your customers. Don't just be कि हाँ जी order लिया लो जाओ. Connect with them. Happy birthday. Wish करो उनको. उनसे connect करो. This is roots. That's what people do in the companies. They make roots. अपने customer से connect करो. अपने supplier से connect करो. More and more customer बनाओ. सबसे बड़ी mistake people do is they rely on few customers. I had 2 customers और अच्छा बिजनेस देते थे, मेरा काम चल रहा था. वो कस्टमर गया, you are not. Like they say, don't put your eggs in one basket. Create roots. Make lot of customers, lot of suppliers. किसी से faithful होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. Don't be faithful. Create many customers, many suppliers. Create roots with your employees. Take care of their welfare. Not बस की जॉब किया चले. कभी कभी उनकी फैमिली को बुलाओ, कभी पिकनिक करो, कभी कुछ करो. Create roots. The more you have roots, you think कोई प्लांट जिसके बहुत सारे roots हैं, उसको थोड़ी सी हवा गिरा सकती है? नहीं ना? ऐसे ही today if you have many roots, you are very good with the people, very going around with all your colleagues. जब भी कभी प्रमोशन का टाइम आएगा सब पे इसको. Because he does so many things, he is multi-talented. ये भी करता है, ये भी करता है, ये भी करता है. जरूरत पड़ी तो हम कोई फंक्शन को ऑर्गेनाइज भी कर देता है. और आप सोचोगे नहीं, मैं तो बस अपना काम करूं और जाऊं. वो पर्सन हमेशा सबसे पहले उन्हीं को निकालना कंपनी से. Create roots, support system, support others to get support from others. Everyone is clear about support? इस चक्र में एक चीज होती है, एक इमोशन होती है, jealousy. In this chakra there is jealousy. Today people feel, oh he is jealous of me, jealous of me, jealous of me. But we have to understand nobody is jealous of anybody. And even if they are jealous, सत्यमेव जयते. सच्चाई है तो हम ये चक्र सिखाता है that finding ability, that willpower to fight. That is why work resides in this chakra. सातों चक्रों में से इसी चक्र में वर्क होता है, काम होता है, वर्क, फाइट. इस चक्र में जो गॉड्स हैं, एक तो गणपति है, इस चक्र में हनुमान जी है, इस चक्र में कार्तिकेय है और इस चक्र में कुबेर है. इतने गॉड्स हैं इस चक्र में. When you pray to Kuber, you activate your Mooladhara. जब आप हनुमान जी के मंदिर जाते हो ना, Mooladhara. कार्तिकेय को प्रे करते हो ना, Mooladhara. You are actually activating your chakra by praying to the gods. आपको घोड़े की नाल बोलते हैं कभी-कभी पहनने के लिए, इसको Mooladhara. The planet is मंगल. जब मंगल प्लैनेट के लिए मूंगा पहनते हो ना, it is for Mooladhara. रुद्राक्ष में 14 मुखी पहनते हो ना, इट इज फॉर Mooladhara. 8 मुखी पहनते हो फॉर Mooladhara. कलर थेरेपी में रेड कलर की थेरेपी करते हो ना, Mooladhara. गणपति का स्रोत जाते हो, गण गणपते नमः या गणेश अर्थशीष फॉर Mooladhara. जब भी आप कोई भी गॉड्स की प्रे करोगे, कोई भी यू प्रे टू दीज मंत्रास, दीज प्लैनेट्स, मंगल दोष निवारण करते हो, Mooladhara. मैरिज इज ऑल्सो अ पार्टनरशिप फॉर स्टेबिलिटी। तभी कहते हैं कोई लड़की मंगलिक है तो टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज शी इज अनस्टेबल। कुंडली शोज इनस्टेबिलिटी, तो मंगलिक मीन्स इनस्टेबिलिटी, बिकॉज शी हैज टू लर्न द लेसन्स ऑफ मूलाधार। हनुमान जी सिखाते हैं अपने काम को फेस करो। उनको बोला एक संजीवनी बूटी लाने के लिए, नहीं मिलती ना पहाड़ ले आओ, दैट इज वर्क। कार्तिकेय कहता है फाइट फाइट, गणेश जी कहते हैं रिमूव ऑब्स्टिकल्स, रिमूव ऑब्स्टिकल्स, विघ्नहर्ता
चारों देवताओं का ये
सबका है। और कुबेर तो जो मुनि माँ देती है वो पैसे बोलते हैं मेरे पास अथाह सब समुद्र भंडार है, जो लेना है ले लो, दैट इज कुबेर। So all the four gods they reside in the Mooladhara Chakra, teaching you different lessons. भगवान को खुश करने की कोशिश मत करो, they will not come and give anything to you. You pray to Hanuman, he will not give anything to you. बोलोगे कुबेर धन दे दे, वो कुछ नहीं देंगे। They will tell, become like me, imbibe my qualities, become like Hanuman, become like Ganesh. उनकी stories पढ़ते हैं, what did they do, what should I do? They only teach you stories मेरे जैसा बनो। थर्ड चैप्टर हो गया। लास्ट चैप्टर इज वेरी इजी, इट्स द फोर्थ चैप्टर बट वेरी इजी। फोर्थ लेसन ऑफ मूलाधार चक्र, क्योंकि ये 4 लेसन के बाद भूमि देवी जो है प्रसन्न हो जाती है आपके साथ, प्रसन्न। द फोर्थ लेसन इज योर बॉडी। We have to understand we are given a body and we have to learn how to honor the body and also how to make it work for us. The body is the temple of your soul. You reside in the body, right? We all know we should take care of the body. तो सबको पता है, ये खा लो, वो खा लो, एक्सरसाइज कर लो, न्यूट्रिशन कर लो। So how many know that you should make it run like a घोड़ा? You should make your body work. Today many people, their Mooladhara chakra is blocked because constantly they think, what if I fall sick? What if I बीमार है? मुझे कुछ हो ना जाए। They are all the time worried about the body. मुझे कुछ ना हो जाए, मुझे ये बीमारी ना हो जाए, मेरे घर में डायबिटीज है, मुझे ना हो जाए। All the time they are worried about the body. That blocks the Mooladhara chakra. Because when you are fearful of the body, you block the chakra because the lesson is not learned. What you have to do is you have to release all these fears of the body, that I am weak, I am not strong, my body is not strong, I am not healthy, and you have to make it work. Because body तो आपसे कहेगी कि भाई मुझे सुनाओ, मुझे रेस्ट करो, but you have to make the body work for the purpose that you have asked. इसके लिए of course you have to make deeper meditations to release association that you are a body. आपके में से जो लोग थोड़े और sincere हैं to go deep into self realization, you can attend the second level class. Because हम meditation करके we even release our association that we are a body. We are not the body. We have a body. You are not your car. You have a car. You are not your pen, you have a pen. You are not the body, you have a body. और जिस दिन आप illusion में चले जाते हो कि I am the body, you start going with the fears of the body. उसके लिए we have to, do meditation to release our association that we are not the body. तो body के सारे fear फिर चले जाते। But for now, what you can understand? That I have to know that these fears of diseases, they are all in the mind. Today, whatever body I have been given with by God, it is fit to do what I am meant to do. आज बिना legs के भी people have climbed the Everest. बिना leg के people have danced. बिना hands and legs they have done 100 of things. बिना eyes के people have done inventions. Yes or no? People have done everything, even being handicapped. So just thinking that you are weak, you can't sit idle. आपको जो भी भगवान ने बॉडी दी है, जो भी बीमारी के साथ दी है, जो भी वीकनेस के साथ दी है, it is fit for the work you are meant to finish. It is fit, it's enough, it's sufficient. You have to honor your body for what it is. You have to honor yourself completely. You can't sit कि नहीं मेरे को तो ये problem है. No. You can't. You have to be grateful कि मुझे जो भगवान ने ये मंदिर दिया है मैं इसी मंदिर के साथ सब करूँगा. Whatever I am doing. और किसी का काम किसी से छोटा नहीं. Everybody's work is equitable. Everybody's work is equal, not less and more, equal. So we have to release these fears of the Okay, thank you. That's good. तो देखिए आपको क्या है, you will notice this in your day-to-day life. अभी क्या है, आपके बहुत सारे fears हैं और एक निकला है, एक डर निकला है केवल. पर इसी से आपको एटलीस्ट पैसे के बारे में ना you stop worrying. We have to trust. She will take care. बस. You have to be connected to her. Just be connected. She will take care. I have to only bother about what I love to do. Bas. That's it. Next week we will have workshop on Swadhisthana Chakra. This is the chakra where you understand who you are. You understand about relationships. You understand about self-esteem. How can I be confident in my life? So until next week, thank you.